All right, we're going to do a quick dive into rational exponents real quick. We're going to have a section that is all on rational exponents, but they do have you working with fractions as exponents for quite a few problems in these next couple sections. So first off, when you have fractions as exponents, you just need to follow fraction rules when it comes to adding or subtracting or whatever we happen to be doing at that time. So if you don't remember your fraction rules, I highly suggest going into if you search my YouTube towards the beginning of the year, you will find videos that go back over fractions. Just keep that in mind. And of course, we're going to do a couple examples, so we'll get, hopefully, a refresher. But what is a rational exponent? A rational exponent basically means, so we do know that 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3. When it comes to a rational square exponent, like we're trying to figure out what base got us to 9 that was multiplied by itself twice. So not explicitly taught here in the book, but really like whatever this denominator is, that's the root. So like in this case, we're doing the square root of 9. We're trying to figure out what times itself equals 9. So I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. Therefore, 9 to the 1/2 power equals 3. And I know that seems weird, but really when it comes to fractional exponents, the denominator is the root. And so we're really doing 9 to the 1/2 power. If I were to give you like 8 to the 1/3, we would be doing the cube root of 8, which we know is 2 times 2 times 2, so the answer is 2. I guess I should have put the cube root of that, so our answer is 2. It's however you want to think about it. Really what you're going to be doing is now they're going to just mix fractions into what we're working with. That's the main thing. All right, so real quick, if we're to simplify this expression, 81 to the 1/4 power, we're looking for the number that multiplied by itself 4 times is 81. And if you're not sure what that is, remember these lovely trees that we've been doing in class? Well, I can do 81, I know is 9 times 9, and each of my 9s are 3s, and look how many 3s there are. There are 4 of them. So 81 to the 1/4 power is 3. That's the answer, 3. And this is where our prime factor trees can help us out. All right, next example. Simplify the expression 64 to the 3/2. They're really making us work on this one. So really what this is 64 to the 1/2 times 64 to the 1/2 times 64 to the 1/2. Oops, 1/2. So half means square root. So I'm doing the square root of 64, which is 8. So this is going to be 8 times 8 times 8, which is the same as 8 cubed. And 8 cubed is 512. And when we get to the other section, I will show you an even shorter way of doing that. But for now, that's what it is. And that's what we have on rational exponents. In the next video, we'll talk about dividing. Until then.